Excellencies, distinguished participants, I would like to speak to you from my office in Malawi. I have the honor this morning to speak on a subject that is very pertinent to the work I do as a legislator and my current role as the first Deputy Speaker of Parliament in Malawi. This universal review session is very timely for Malawi. As you know, we are in the process of setting up the new Legislative Assembly. Our new members of Parliament are being oriented, and Parliament has just had its first meeting of Parliament. The morale and the setup is very promising, but I would like to share that we have done a lot. The Legal Affairs Committee in the last cohort of Parliament has delivered a lot of work on research that was done, consultations that were done, and a lot of other works that were done in the previous cohort of Parliament. A research, comprehensive one, was done by the Legal Affairs Committee in support by LIPRIV, Malawi. We did consultations, and an output average of 80 to 90% of Malawians supported the whole idea of having the death sentence removed from our statutes. Fellow colleagues, excellencies, and representatives of countries, Malawi did a good setup. We managed to come up with a motion and a private member's bill through the business committee, and this bill was almost being tabled in Parliament, the past sitting of Parliament. But because this was towards the end of our term and an election period, it did not succeed. The other unfortunate part for the Parliament of Malawi, the move of the bill and the second of the bill both did not make it to Parliament. So in the new Parliament, out of the 5 members of Parliament in the task force, 2 have come back, and I am one of the 2. So I make those commitments knowing where we're coming from, knowing our commitments, knowing what we are able to achieve, and knowing what we are able to do as Malawian Parliament. The work out here is enormous, but it's only manageable if we are able to catch the new Parliament, the new members of Parliament, to understand the whole concept of the abolition of the death sentence. The exercise cannot be done by Malawi alone. It needs the cooperation of the local NGOs, civil society, government under the Ministry of Justice, and indeed international organizations to allow the new crop of members of Parliament understand the battle and where it is coming from and our destination. Our friends in Zambia have done it. Our friends out in the world have done it. Malawi will soon do it. The earlier we do this, the better. And Malawi is at the verge of abolishing the death sentence. I would like to conclude by thanking all partners that have supported the works in Malawi and those that have supported the milestones that we are able to achieve. Together, we have a commitment, and together let's work to be able to accomplish our mission. When Malawi is free from the death penalty in our pieces of legislation. I would like to thank you all. Hope to see you in Malawi. Welcome to Malawi. Ziko mokwambiri.